Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers, my friends, my families, and my colleagues. I hope all of you are doing great. Right now, we are at the footbelt of this Mohrdar Mountain, along with two adventurers of mine. One is my uncle, and another is a friend of mine, Mr. Iqbal. So we are about to summit this peak. And have a green tea there. So keep in touch with me. See the height of this mountain. This mountain we are going to summit this up. So keep in touch with us. Mr. Iqbal, are you ready to give interview? Mr. Iqbal, I am asking you. Dazi Tarabugi, Aga Iqbal Hussain, Chi Tasirat Dare. Bogi? You just put up there. Aferin bize. This was Mr. Iqbal Hussain. He is the professional baker of our community, French cuisine baker. Yeah. So he's giving us treat today. The treat of banana cake and the bigger cake, cake crust cake. Yeah. So I have another adventurer with me. This one is my uncle. He is serving in Air Force. Is a stand warrant officer. Yeah. So what are your views on it? She thought what the red.
Yes, I'm driving on the mountain with my best friend and my nephew.
Okay. So how is the morale? Good to know that. So these were the two adventurers accompanying me in climbing these mighty mountains. So miss you all. Your presence is missed. We are enjoying at the same time having conversation with Mr. Iqbal Hussain. So this was a little commentary from my side. See this view. See this beautiful sunset right behind me. And see this vast stretched land. This is so beautiful. So for now, take care. For information of all of you, we have changed the plan midway while climbing the mountain, owing to the fact that we are invited for dinner for the niyaz of Mohrdar Islam. So that's why we changed our plan, and we have just reached the middle of the mountain. We will be having our yeah. Mr. Iqbal, our professional baker of French cuisine baker, Mohrdar Road. He is the host of our today's adventure. So thank you so much, Mr. Iqbal. So, dear viewers, this vast, beautiful land. You know, for your information, all these lands, the land beyond this barren land, the green land, this is the area of the camp which is populated. This whole belt which is green belongs to the cantonment board under the administrative control of Pakistan Army. So the poor masses, the poor public lives in this locality where you can barely see any trees, any greenery. So for your information, the Hazara community or the Hazara nation lives in this locality which I am pointing out right now, just behind this mountain and in front of the mountain which I am pointing towards. This is the region where we live. This locality extends till the heart of Quetta City, Mizan Chowk. So another locality of a population bigger than this lives on the western side of this Quetta City, which is called Hazara Town. For your information, Hazara Town is a vast area. It includes a population bigger than this of Hazara nation. So a total of 6 to 7 lakhs Hazaras live in this beautiful Quetta City. And now I'm showing you this spot where I do carry out my morning walk, my jogging session. I will be missing this spot because tomorrow I will be leaving for Islamabad and then to Mangla. So with these notes, take care, all of you. Take care of your surroundings, neighbors, of your friends, or of your family. See this beautiful mountain. And here you go. This is the banana which is being prepared by Mr. Iqbal Hussain along with this green tea, our national tea. So with this note, take care, all of you. Love you all. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.